Okay, peeps, got a Nintendo Switch here, Nintendo Switch Lite, which has a problem with charging. And usually it's a short on charging circuit, but this one feels extremely loose on the amp meter. And on charger itself as well, super loose. And it shows nothing. Let's get it done, let's get it fixed. This is gonna be a quick one. Got my espresso here as well. So we need to get the logic board out and then just do a quick swap on the actual charging connector. Hopefully no rip pads, because this one feels very loose. It could be that there's rip pads there. Sometimes these mounts rip off. It's because the plastic is very fragile, unfortunately. It won't really affect it per se. We'll try and stick that in maybe a bit later when we've done it. Okay, we got the board now. This is the charging port. We'll have to desolder this. This is soldered onto the board. I guess they do this because it's cheaper for them to produce them. Yep. No rip pads, luckily. Get the new bolt. It says Nintendo Switch, but it looks like a Switch Lite port. Well, on top of that is to add more solder to the anchor points. Like this. That's a lot more solder, should be more solid. So let's see if this was successful. Hopefully should be okay. Zero amps. I don't remember. I think it has to pull something. I'm fairly sure. Oh, yeah, it's pulling 100 milliamps. Let's see. Yeah, there we go. Showing the charging symbol. 41 milliamps. So it looks like the battery is very flat, which is why it's charging so slowly at the start to preserve the battery. Okay, so we're now taking half an amp. So yeah, it was just very flat battery. Sooner or later it's going to show over 1 amp charging, so looks like it's all good. So it's already on, 4% charged, and charging at 1.5 amps, it's solved. So if you need a repair like this, click the link in the description. You can send us an inquiry. We accept most micro-soldering repairs. You can mail it in to us UK-wide. We sometimes take international repairs as well for those that can't get anyone local. So if you need anything done, no problem at all. Just send an inquiry and we get you the details for your repair. See you in another video.